Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kanyinyo Zibeti, but you can still call me Nyunyu. Today we are going to talk about how to make a report from Excel. As I told you in my introduction videos, we are going to be talking about various applications and how to use them in our daily lives. So today I come on how to make a report from Excel. Here we go. This is my data that I have, but it is incomplete for making a report. So we are going to first make it sufficient enough for making a clear report by adding some cells that are missing. For example, you can't make a report without the total. We first calculate the total, and the total, we sum up all the marks in the four subjects. Put the formula, which is the sum, come and find the total. Oh, sorry. You're finding the total. Equal signs, sum, close brackets, enter. And then after finding our total, we autofill the whole column. Then after filling the total, we can still not use, the total is insufficient for us to make a clear report for students. So we'll also have to find the average. We add another cell of the average. We come and find the average. We put the formula of the average, which is the total marks divided by 4, because the 4 subjects or 4 marks of every student for which we are finding the average. We enter. We also autofill the whole column. And there we go. After getting the average, then we can position our students according to their positions or totals, according to their averages or totals. You can use any of the two. So here we're going to find the position. Position. Come and press equal signs. We will rank. We will use the rank function. So we are going to rank according to their totals. Let's use their totals. Then descending order, which is 0, close bracket, enter. The positions will come. Those are their respective positions according to their totals. Let's try maybe using. So here we are. After finding the positions, someone will be like, why can't we use the average? You can still use the average. Let's say, let me give an example. If you come and you want to find the position, maybe using the average. If you want to see if they give the same position as the one given by the total, you'll still come and use your rank function. But now you rank according to your averages. Enter. It will still give the same positions for each student. So if you're finding the position, you can either use the average or the total. But for me, I used the total. Let's delete this because it is the same. it is useless. So after finding the position, we are going to grade our students according to their marks. And for grading, we use the if function. The if function. Since the if function will take a lot of time, I've done it before. Autofill, autofill. But according, if you want to use the if function, you can come, my formula is here, right on the screen. So that is the formula you use if you want to find the grade. And after inserting your formula, you press enter and it will enter the value automatically. So that is the grade. And that is how we make a report. That is what I had for you. Thank you for watching, but don't forget to watch, subscribe, like, and comment, because your comments are very important to me. They help me know where I've reached and the mistakes I need to correct. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can keep updated in case of any other interesting information to add on the one of today. Thank you for watching. God bless you.